Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So welcome back guys, welcome to day one of 10 Days of Coach. We are kickstarting the series with an unboxing from Satire. So Satire is a luxury online store where they source luxury items from different boutiques all over essentially Europe. It's typically sold to us at a better price because it's just cheaper there. Satire is definitely reputable. So if you guys are looking for any pieces, any luxury pieces, always check Satire amongst other ones. And they oftentimes will give you like an extra 10% off if you sign up to their newsletter and then use their app to make the purchase. And that's what I did. So that was pretty good. And just to clarify, guys, this video is definitely not sponsored. I just wanted to share the fact that you can get a good deal on Satire. So Coach actually came out with this bag I think over a year and a half ago, and I wasn't really honed into Coach at that time. Only recently I saw the girls pull out this bag in preparation for like the spring summertime, and I was like, wait, what's that? This is a nice looking bag, especially for a casual, easygoing style bag. I looked it up and I saw that Coach came out with this before and then they re-released it and now it's kind of available everywhere. Of course, I went with trying to track it down for the best price. Not only that, but this bag actually fills a void in my collection, which is pretty surprising because with the exception of exotic, I pretty much have every style that I really care for. So that's a little bit of a hint. It's a particular material that is unique to my collection and it's pretty casual. So you guys might be able to guess actually what it is, but I'm really excited about this. So without further ado, let's open her up. This came from overseas. I don't know if it came from the Netherlands or it came from London, but it came from overseas. And I did check this bag out when it first got to me because I had to make sure that, I didn't have to return it or anything. To reveal my new denim tabby 26 in brass gold hardware. It is so cool. Like, I love this bag. It's super cool. I can't wait to wear her because she just goes with everything. Like, everything in terms of like casual style. When I'm like in my mom gear, wearing jeans or whatever it is, like it just matches. It just goes. And obviously they wrapped it impeccably. I could see that. And it's brand new. So I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, guys, so let's take off all the wrapping so we can take a nice look inside. Oh my God, it's just so soft. It just feels so nice and fluffy. It's like a very familiar feel, and I really like that. It has a front flap that's magnetic here, and then it has two compartments, and then a zipper compartment here, and that looks like, oh, that's fabric lined. We have the back that has the magnetic pocket. This is very well packaged, which I definitely appreciate. And then we will unwrap the chain. Oh wow, yeah, this is beautiful. Look at that. And then we have the beautiful hang tag here. Even this is wrapped, which is really much appreciated. This is, I guess, the tag from the store. This is the original Coach tag. This is the denim tabby in 26, and this is the color Indigo. So this is kind of like, it's like a lighter wash denim. And the name of this is pretty important. It becomes important because I bought a second item, which was pretty hard to track down, but it got easier once I found out that the name of this denim is Indigo. So, but yeah, I'll show you guys that one shortly. But this is the bag, and I love quilted tabbies, as you guys know. I have my sage one right there, and it has served me well, and I cannot wait to wear this one for the summertime. It's super cute. Oh my God. The buckle is great. There are no feet on the bottom, but we're gonna have to figure something out because this could easily get really dirty. This is so nice. This is a leather strap with red piping. I don't know if this is focusing. There it is. Okay, guys, let me show you the extra item I purchased along with this bag. This is the item, and I'm sure you guys can guess exactly what this is by the size and then like in this context. But let me tell you that this was not easy to find. As you can see, I purchased this secondhand. I purchased it from eBay, from an eBay seller, and it was one of only like a few that I found on eBay, and this was the best price. So let's reveal the card case, the denim card case. This is so cute. I could not have the card case to match the bag. It's so adorable. And this is the indigo blue card case, which matches this indigo blue. However, this is not the one that's in the stores right now. The one that's in stores right now is more of like a deeper blue. I forget what they call it, but I went to the store looking for a matching card case, and when I put the card case up to the bag, I was like, this is a completely different shade. The sales associate told me that the card case that's in stores right now is a different shade. You can only get it secondhand, so that's what I did. Guys, I don't have any denim in my collection, and I'm so happy to start with Coach as my first denim because, as you guys know, denim material is obviously not an equivalent to leather, but every luxury house pretty much sells it for a comparable price to the leather equivalent. And it's kind of like, I don't really want to spend thousands of dollars on denim, whether it be from Saint Laurent or Chanel or anywhere else. But from Coach, I can definitely tolerate the price. And that's why I decided to go with this beauty. So guys, that's it for my first unboxing of 10 Days of Coach. This is day one, and I'm so excited to keep this going and show you guys everything I've gotten. Do you guys have the denim tabby or any other denim bag for that matter? What do you think of it? Any insight would be much appreciated. So guys, I will leave you here and I'll see you next time. Bye!